If MTV Loveline was rebooted in 2025, what would it look like? Would it just be two people ghosting each other on a podcast?
Okay, frankly,
Would you podcast it like this style? You will still do Loveline.
No, of course you can still do Loveline, but I wouldn't change anything about Loveline. I would
set and all, yeah.
I would definitely not change the hosts.
The host, but also the
Side-
couch. The couch.
I love the couch.
Sitting there like that,
I
it's
love
a whole
the
dynamic change. No? Than
I
this.
love the
This is
couch.
more serious. This is more like people are.
No, but couch is more romantic, no?
It is, but I would also think that the couch allowed us to be laid back. You'd be just like your body language is.
Yeah,
flopped
and
immediately.
but I would not change anything about Loveline. And
Well, how
I
would
want
you
to
reboot it?
I don't. No, the thing is, I would still keep it.
You
the
keep
way
it exactly the way it was.
Exactly. Yeah, I mean, I want to listen to advice from Cyrus Brocha,
Yeah.
who is a successful
And
man.
Sophie.
And Sophie, yes, I keep forgetting about Sophie.
And before that,
No,
Malaika.
you're like
and
a
occasionally Nafisa, occasionally Maria.
Malaika.
Some models we
and,
used. Did we use Miss India's? All have come and gone.
At that time, I was in college.
you were there.
There was a time I was a child.
Right.
There was.
Yeah. So I have this memory of all these really famous models, all taller than me. Very embarrassing. Then?
So, no, I would keep it the same because I would want to listen to advice from, a man called Cyrus.
Yeah.
Okay, who works out, who does not drink, who has a great relationship with his mother, his wife, 2 kids, dogs.
So far it's all
friends.
lies, but yeah, I'll go with it.
No, but imagine, otherwise, who would want to hear like from somebody called Zayn XOXO or, Kiara the Matcha? I don't want. I want solid
I feel
advice.
these names will help us sell the program. Kal se, I'm Kiara the what?
Kiara the Matcha.
Kiara the Matcha. That's my name.
I mean, bizarre stuff.
Matcha.
And and this is something that I've spoken to younger kids, and they were like, your generation was things were much easier. Love was much easier.
What does that mean?
It's all screwed up right now for them.
Why?
So I think old
They've
school
got such
works.
an easy way to meet people called the internet. I mean, all these boys, Abisa, Ayush, they're always on Tinder, Winder, and many different things.
But
What's the other one called?
But did you find love?
Hinge.
Did you find love on Tinder?
No, Hinge. He's on Hinge.
Okay, did you find love on Hinge? No.
They do.
There's no.
It's a work in progress. You search. You finally find love after some time. But it's like, you're going through different casts, you reach a dream car. It's like that.
It's like kissing many frogs, as we would say back
okay,
then.
till you find your prince, if you like that. But I personally think that between the prince and the
I
frog.
wouldn't change anything about. I would keep it the way it is.
Okay, but also remember that your so-called hosts are now 25 years older.
Yeah, but that's the whole
So
thing.
who are they going to talk to?
They're going to talk to young people. This is how it is. This is how it should be.
Why do they want to listen to someone in their late 40s?
But would you want to listen to Zayn XOXO?
Why are you asking them?
No, but I mean, who would want
They're
to listen?
working at IVM. They're so frustrated and lonely. They all ask for hugs when I leave. You don't understand what they're going through. We can't talk to them. They're psychologically
Okay,
damaged.
sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
In fact, just ignore them. It's very
Kiara
hard
the
to-
Matcha. I mean,
Kiara the Matcha.
I don't want to know anything from someone like that.